Mitutoyo is revolutionizing inline manufacturing with our high-accuracy linear gauges and interfaces. The LG100, LG200 series, and the EJ counter interfaces can be used inline or in measurement cells, giving you best-in-class precision and environmental resistance protection. With multiple system configurations, enabling real-time measurement and data management, these IP67G rated probes can be exposed to harsh production and shop floor conditions. This lineup includes the LG100, LG200, EJ counters and software for setup line displays. The LG100 with reference point detection and the slim profile LG200 series both have high accuracy, excellent environmental resistance, and extra durability. With a narrow range accuracy of 0.5 microns and repeatability of 0.3 microns, accuracy is guaranteed due to Mitutoyo's quality and expertise. Nearly impervious to oils and other contaminants, these linear gauges are designed for use even in the harshest of environments. The compact EJ counter modular units are DIN rail mountable for constant data monitoring and positional management of linear gauges. Up to 8 counters can be linked, providing the capacity to connect up to 16 gauges in a small space. These counters are compatible with various industrial interfaces like CC-Link, Ethernet IP, Profinet, or USB interface. The LG QuickSetupTool is a free software that allows for real-time displays and easy setup. Whatever your application needs are, Mitutoyo has the encoder and interface that's right for you. For more information, please call us at 888-MITSUTOYO or visit us online at mitutoyo.com.